She's too little.
You're too little to get a tooth.
She gets a tooth at 4 months.
Oh my goodness.
Now, is this your finger?
No, it's just, well, my fingers are there, yeah. You just like it. I don't know why you like it so much.
Well, maybe she doesn't want to be there.
Well, then she'd move it away.
She's like, cheer up.
You are so funny. She like looks at it and then what? You want some more?
I think she's done.
Yeah. Oh, look. She's going for the real stuff now.
Oh, but we just ate for 20 minutes. We don't need any real stuff.
She goes, I know where it is.
Aww.
Oh, oh.
Oh, look at her. Look at her.
But she's
going,
not hungry.
Come on, I want to suck on something.
Yeah.
She wants to suck on something.
We can get you a pacifier.
Say bye, Maya.